So something else you're going to need to know how to do is how to use the scale tool. So let me go ahead and let me delete my desk here, even though I know it's truly beautiful. And let's go ahead and let's make another box. I'm going to draw my box here. So there's my box. So now let's say I want to change the scale of it. Well, there's a couple ways I could do that. The first way is the one we already talked about. If I go over to my Modify tab on the right side of the screen, I could adjust the length and the width and the height. Or another way I can do this is I can go to the top of the screen and I could select the Select and Uniform Scale tool. And now this will allow me to adjust the scale of various parts of the object, or adjust the size, the scale of the entire object, depending on where I click on this triangle. If you notice, when I click in the center of the triangle, the middle part of the triangle lights up. If I go to the outside of the triangle, just one side of the triangle lights up, one side of the outer portion of the triangle. Well, that's because if I want to adjust the entire object, I click on the center part of the scale tool, and I just hold my left mouse button down and I move my object up and down. And now you can see I can change the scale. I can make it smaller, I can make it larger, whatever I want to do. On the other hand, let's say I just want to adjust the scale of it on one side, going one direction. Well, I can select an outer portion of the triangle. Like, I'm going to select this bottom outer part of the triangle, hold my left mouse button down, and you notice the scale going along the horizontal axis changes. On the other hand, if I were to take the top one, it would change the vertical axis. So it changes according to where you pick on the scale.